Hi, welcome to my channel. So I'm getting a lot of questions about how to crochet the M protein or the little purple dots here on the virus. These proteins are one of the 3 proteins that this virus expresses. So firstly we have the spike protein here, the membrane protein, and the envelope protein, which is the yellow part here. So all this yellow part are the envelope protein that enclose the RNA of the virus. These little spikes over here are the ones that help the virus to attach to the host cell and enter to the cell. And these M proteins that have some of the allow the virus also to synthesize some of the enzymes needed for the virus. So how to crochet these M proteins? I'm gonna show you in the next couple of minutes how to crochet these proteins. So you're gonna need your yarn and your hook. I usually use baby yarn and 2.5 millimeter hook. If you crochet this virus, you're gonna see that there's spaces between the spikes protein here. So these M proteins, or the purple dots, gonna go in between every 2 spikes. You're gonna hold your yarn and then you're gonna insert your hook in between anywhere in between these 2 spikes. For example, I'm gonna show you 1 or 2 examples and the rest gonna be the same. So all what you're gonna do is you're gonna pull your yarn through any stitch in between these 2 spikes. Then you're gonna slip stitch. Then you're gonna slip stitch. You're gonna pull your yarn through the chain that you just made. Okay, again in the same spot, the same place that you got your hook from, you're gonna go inside again and pull another yarn, loop of yarn. Okay, now you're gonna have 2 loops, as you can see here on your hook, and you're gonna pull through just one of the loop. You're gonna still have 2 yarn. So all what we do is just pull a loop, the yarn through this loop here, and it's just like making a slip stitch. Okay, again you're gonna go through the same stitch. You're gonna go through it, you're gonna pull a loop of yarn. Now you're gonna have 3 loop on your stitch, 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so in this 3rd loop over here, you're gonna pull a yarn through this 3rd loop. Okay, you're gonna still have 3 loops on your hook. Again, for the 4th time, I'm gonna go through the same, exactly the same stitch. Okay, pull yarn through this stitch. Now you're gonna have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're gonna pull a yarn through the 4th loop you just made, and again you still have 4 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once you reach this step, you're gonna pull your yarn through the 4 loops here. Okay, you're gonna pull through it, all of them. you just gonna group them all, and then you're gonna secure this just by making a chain. Okay, next you're gonna go through this stitch here behind the loop, the stitch here behind the loop, this opening here, and you're gonna insert your hook to the stitch above it. Okay, you're gonna pull your yarn through this here and pull it through the loop on your hook, the one you just made. Okay, and then you're just gonna pull the yarn as long as you want. Don't make it just like you're doing slip stitch, and then you're just gonna cut this yarn here, secure it, and then you're gonna hide this two yarn inside the body of the wires. Okay, you're gonna take this and hide it inside anywhere. Okay, this is how it's gonna look like here. Just try to make sure that you hide everything inside, just to make it look nice and clean. Okay, so this is how it looks like here. Okay, I'm gonna do another one just to make it clear. I'm gonna choose this place over here, again. I'm gonna choose any space between these two spikes, insert your hook, pull your yarn, secure your yarn in this place. So in this, we're gonna go inside this stitch 3 more times. Go inside, grab a loop of yarn. Okay, 1 and 2. So in this second loop over here, you're gonna pull through a yarn and secure it in place. See, we're gonna go through the same spot again, grab a loop of yarn, go outside. So we have now 3 loop of yarn. We're gonna secure it again. So now we have 3 loops on our hook. We're gonna go again for the 4th time, grab a loop. Now we have 4 loops, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna go pull a yarn and go through this 4th loop that we made. So now we have 4 loop on our hook. We're gonna now pull a yarn through all of the 4 loops that we have over here. We're gonna secure it like you're doing a chain. Then, as I told you before, that this spot here just behind your M protein here, there is 2 spots just behind it. So we're gonna insert our hook in this stitch here and grab your yarn from here and pull it through this loop on your hook. Take a yarn, pull it through this and cut it. then just secure it in place and pull your yarn inside the body of the virus to make it clean and nice. So you're gonna do all the same step to all the spaces between the spikes to end up with something that looks like this. Hopefully you find this video useful, and if you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section below. Happy crocheting!